Let's read A Christmas Story, A Christmas Alien. Level A2 Elementary.
One snowy Christmas Eve, on a planet far beyond the stars, an alien named Alex was dreaming of a little adventure. He wanted to spend the holiday season on Earth, so he turned into a handsome man with silver eyes and arrived on our planet. While walking the decorated streets, Alex met a young woman named Lily, who was carrying a bundle of mistletoe. Their eyes met, and they smiled at each other. "Oh, hi there," Lily said. "Watch out for that mistletoe, it's a little naughty." "Mistletoe?" asked Alex. "What's it for?" "Well, if two people stand under it, they're supposed to kiss. It's just a fun tradition." "Kiss? Interesting," Alex said. "I'm Alex, by the way." Lily. "Nice to meet you, Alex. Are you new in town?" "Yes, very new. I'm from a different country," he added carefully. "We don't have Christmas there. Why is everyone so excited about this holiday?" Lily smiled and answered, "Christmas is about love, family, and joy. People come together, exchange gifts, and share warmth." "Love, family, joy," Alex repeated quietly. "Interesting. Will you show me?"
If you like English audiobooks, subscribe to our channel.
And so, Alex and Lily spent the day together trying all the fun Christmas traditions. They even tried to build a snowman, but it ended up looking like an alien. They went skating, had hot chocolate, and laughed a lot. Lily suddenly touched his hand. "You know, Alex, Christmas is also about giving. How about we buy some gifts for kids in need?" "Giving? I like the idea, Lily." As they shopped for presents, Alex couldn't stop looking at Lily. She had big, kind eyes and a warm smile. The most beautiful smile Alex has ever seen. Lily's open heart helped him understand the true meaning of Christmas. In the market, they saw ugly Christmas sweaters. Alex picked one with blinking lights and Lily laughed. "You look like the most festive alien in the galaxy." Alex stopped. "Festive alien? How did you know I'm an alien?" Lily held her breath for a moment. "Are you an alien for real?" Alex told her everything about himself, about his planet, and how he came to Earth. Lily was shocked, but she wasn't afraid of Alex. She saw trust in his eyes, and she trusted him too. They walked through the town enjoying the time together. Lily knew that Alex would have to go back to his planet after Christmas. In the evening, Lily invited Alex to join her family's Christmas dinner. Alex saw the joy of having a family, the magic of laughter, and the warmth of a human home. Alex told Lily when they stayed alone after dinner, "Lily, your Earth traditions are truly magical. On my planet, we don't have this sense of life and family." Lily smiled. "Life and family, Alex, that's what makes Christmas special." Touched by Lily's words, Alex made a decision. "Lily, I've decided to stay on Earth. I want to make it my home, next to you." Lily was so happy. She hugged him tight and gave him a light kiss. "That's wonderful, Alex. Welcome to our world." That Christmas night, an alien named Alex found a new home on Earth filled with love, laughter, and warmth. After all, Christmas miracles happen all the time, even to aliens.
For more audiobooks, check appava.com.
Check out this video. It will help you to improve your English right now.